Hello, traders. FS Pep Galactic here. Today is Thursday, July 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still very bullish overall. I still think this is going to end up either going up and making a running flat wave C or an expanding wave C. Either way, it should lead to a pretty big uptrend, so not too big of a deal to know the difference as of yet. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this looks like a big uptrend, like a wave 1. This looks to me like a big WXY, like a wave 2. I think this is a 1, a 2, and a 3 of wave 3, which I still think will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame. So taking it right down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it definitely looks like we already have a complete correction. It looks like 5 ways up for a wave 1. It looks like an expanding flat kind of for a wave 2. Looks like we're likely already in a wave 3. Now that doesn't mean there won't be some pullbacks along the way, but I still think that it will, on at least on the daily and weekly, continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it did just keep on drifting up yesterday. We were wondering if possibly this move down was a wave A, but I think it was pretty obvious in hindsight that this is definitely an A, this is a B, and this is already a C. Looks like it's a wave 4 now, and that this move up is probably a wave 5. So that means that this would probably be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, if this really is a wave 3, like it looks like it is on the much higher time frames, then it may actually not even be a wave 5. It may actually just be a subdivision of a much, much bigger uptrend. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. Now we do have CPI today for the US dollar. Definitely a very, very big news event. Looks like this is a wave 5 now, most likely. I would say at this point it probably does need to sweep these highs. Now if today's news does cause a big impulsive move down, then it may actually be the end of a wave 5 and probably the beginning of a bigger correction. But the trend is up on basically every single higher time frame, so I'm always leading to trade with the trend. If the trend is up on all my higher time frames, then I'm definitely primarily looking for logs. Even though you would look at this and you would say, okay, today's news is probably going to cause it to go down, I honestly wouldn't be surprised at all if it did just keep on trending up. If today's news does, make that little spike reversal and break structure, then definitely start looking for shorts. If it doesn't do this picture right here, then I would definitely not even think about going short. I would just continue to go long at the end of every ABC correction. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.